Hello, Generals. Well, today we are concluding our review of some basic skills. We're entering to the social studies classroom with a lesson created by teacher Becky Arnett, which is how to read maps. And we're just kind of reviewing those basic things of keys that we may have forgotten and we need a little brush up on. So let's get started. Go ahead and click on to activity or hit the next button. Okay, again, this smart notebook has directions throughout, so you actually can just go through the notebook file. You don't have to watch me with the video. But if you need help along the way, you're welcome to have the video up while doing the notebook file. So, welcome all map readers. Follow the pages to learn all about maps. After you're finished, make sure that you look at any real maps that are in your room. And always enjoy the learning. So, the first thing we want to do is review definitions of maps, atlases, and globes. Go ahead and pause the video and basically pull each of these to find out what is a map and what is a world atlas. Unpause the video when you're done. Great job. You should have pulled and have these basic definitions. Let's look at the definition for a globe by hitting the next page. Again, pull the tab to reveal the answer. Read the answer and unpause the video when you're done. Great job. So, now let's look and see if you can sort into categories. You will have a few different items that can fall under map, atlas, and globe. Go ahead and move these items to where they would be placed. And then fill in some of your own words that would fit under these using the pen tool. Go ahead and click the next button when you're done to check your answers. Unpause the video when you're done. Okay, great job if you found and placed the information in these categories. Now let's look at how to read the map. Basically, you're going to click on the lock to learn how to read the map. So let's click that now. Now you're going to actually read these different pieces of information. But when it says click on an item, go ahead and click on it to discover more pieces. Unpause the video after you have gone through the 3 pieces. Okay, again, you should be back at this portion because when you click on one of the keys, it actually has you return back. So again, when you clicked on the map keys, you reviewed keys that helps you understand pieces to the map. So wherever you see a triangle, that means mountain. And when it comes to color information on the map, when you clicked and dragged the different colors, you found out that certain colors mean specific things, like blue means lakes, a light brown means deserts, where green means golf courses or parks or a forest. Red means a major highway. Yellow means big population areas. A dark brown would mean mountains. And black means roads and highways. And then last but not least, you clicked on a small map to view a basic map. So now let's go and explore directions. Go ahead and pause the video as you read this map and look at the compass to understand directions. Okay, now let's click on the compass to do a little activity. So, again, north is up, south is down, southeast is right, and west is left. Now let's pull these directions and complete the activity. Unpause the video when you've done all 4 pieces. Okay, great job. The answers could be plentiful based upon the directions. Now let's follow these directions to the left, the first, second, third, fourth, and fifth step, to help us make a perfect shape. We're going to use the pen tool to complete the dot to dot. And again, we're going to start with this big dot at the start. The directions will tell us how to connect. So now we need to push this up in our notebook file and go through the directions, starting with the first one, which tells us to start at the big dot and draw a line to the dot that is furthest north. So again, go through all 5 and unpause the video when you're done. Great job. Now let's do marks the spot. So with this one, we're going to click on the box to get a new direction word. And then we're going to click on the yellow arrow to shoot the word out. We have to move that word to the right X spot that best describes its location. Again, you can move the things around once you've gotten all of the different words. But the key is to have a word for every X, because X marks the spot. So again, if I want a new word, I click here until one comes up. So south, I got south, so I'm going to click the yellow button to move south out. And then I'm going to move south where I feel like it should go. So here. Again, click the word again to get another one, and yellow to mark out. When you're all done, we'll click and see the answers. You think you got it? Okay, let's check your answers and see. Good job if you got all of these answers. Now let's do a mapping activity. Okay, each star has directions that tell us where the plane should land. Pull out a star, read the directions, and then move the plane. Talk about where you end up. So again, here's the star, and we're going to pull it out to move the plane. And again, the plane is movable. And so unpause the video when you're done. Okay, now we're entering our final activity of testing your skills. So read this map of China and answer these 4 questions. Unpause the video when you're done. Congratulations, you have learned a lot about maps. Well, that concludes today's general time. Tomorrow again you have deer. Have a great day, generals.